Hello and welcome to Baking with Mia. Today we're going to be making brownies because brownies are good. Now you may be wondering, Mia, how are you going to make brownies? You're not smart. You can't bake. Well, guess what? I've made brownies before. The bag thing out of the box. I already did that because I'm a professional at this. Ground it up so that you don't have any batter chunks. You gotta get your mixing cup thing that you put your oil, all of that stuff. Just put a half of a cup. And now you're a professional baker. Also, so got my cup of water, my 3 tablespoons. That's 1, that was my dog. That's 2. That's 3. The rest of the water you can drink because gotta stay hydrated, kids. So, gotta take your spoon, preheat the oven to 350. Your eggs, your amazing eggs, or should I say, egg-mazing. Here. Now that you got all your ingredients, you gotta mix it up because you can't just have it all piled up in one because, like I said, I'm a pro baker and I know how to bake because I am a baker. Not only am I just a baker, I'm a professional baker. I was in the Olympics for baking. So we got our batter into the pan. And I almost got all of it out. Because what am I gonna say? I can hear you. Yeah, I know. I'm like the one pirate on SpongeBob that goes, I forget what he says. Cause that's fun. Fun. Add some sprinkles. Boom. So that was Baking with Mia. Like this video, subscribe because why not? And that was Baking with Mia. Comment for ideas because yeah, why not? All right.
Say bye.